Hey, it's House Hacker John again, and I hope you brought your paintbrush and your imagination, for we are going to show you how you can transform this home into a great renovation buy.
What we have here is an example of a cute little house that does need a little bit of maintenance, but I don't think it's anything that would keep it from being financed. So this is a great example of another correctly priced home in the market. Buy this home with either a regular loan and put in some elbow grease, or if there's some repairs that come along the way, you could do an escrow repair. So you don't always have to do a renovation loan, but this house is also a prime candidate if you wanted to spruce things up. Maybe you want to take this kitchen and remodel it, or take the bathroom and customize them to your preferences. This is where you can take advantage of the power of a renovation loan and include all the repairs into your purchase. If you're looking to house hack, if you want to buy homes, renovate them, or find a better deal on a house, if that's something that interests you, please follow us and share this information with those who can use it.